So basically, I'm from Maharashtra, Pune, as I said. So in Maharashtra, basically there is a fire. So you have to take 7 rounds around the fire, and you have to promise the your partner for the like you have to make the 7 promises to your partner that you will be lifetime with them in their highs, in their lows. Yeah, it's all about that.
Okay, how are you?
Hi, I'm good.
What is your name?
My name is Vaishnavi and I'm from Maharashtra, Pune.
Okay, so you're in India. Sorry, in New Delhi. You are here visiting, right?
Yeah, I'm here to visit in Delhi for a tour, and we are here for actually the business exhibition. This is a business tour of ours.
Okay. So are you with the school or?
Yeah, actually, I have completed my graduation from international business.
Congrats, yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much. And recently, I'm preparing for my masters to get an admit for an MBA. Yeah.
Okay, so this is kind of like a celebration, or you're trying to relax after the exam?
Okay, this is a vacation actually, and also I'm on a business trip. Okay, like we have participated in the Yashobhumi. Like Yashobhumi was an exhibition for food tech and food processing industry. So here we are for just an exhibition and business trip, and after that we think, okay, let's explore the Delhi. Delhi is all over like most of the historical places. Like Shivaji Maharaj was like brought here for the prison in the Red Fort. So like we have visited in this fort.
Okay, and how do you find New Delhi for someone who it's Indian but it's from outside New Delhi?
Okay, like Delhi is very good place actually. For this is my third time in the Delhi. Like first also I have visited for the India Gate. Then also not only Delhi but surrounding we have visited the Jallianwala Bagh and gateway Wagah border and all. So yeah, this is a very good place. Yeah. Yeah, also we visited the Rajghat over here where there is a samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi.
Okay, thank you very much for sharing that. Now, what makes Indians like unique, special?
Okay, India's most unique thing is their outfits, culture, cultural they wear. Then the wedding, because we invite the more of the thousand of peoples in our wedding. Like in the other states or countries, like there are the only few peoples are invited. The white gown and all. Like in India, India is all about colorful wedding. We wear colorful dress. This is also what I am wearing is anarkali. This is an Indian outfit. Yeah, most of the women you can see they wear this type of dresses here. Yeah.
Okay, so when you invite, you said whenever people get married, they invite thousands of people, right? So how do you manage to fit in like so many people?
Yeah. Actually, Indian peoples are more hospitalic. Like they are very friendly and they are very close to their family. We believe in no celebrating the weddings, festivals, and everything together. Because all these things in India is meant for the family to spend the time with family, the quality time. So yeah, we believe in mutual, yeah, community. We believe in enjoying our things with the family. Yeah. People keep their promises. Also, there is a different thing in Maharashtrian wedding that there are mundavlas in the wedding. So it gives you a pressure. So it helps to activate the brain. So this is the most unique thing of the Maharashtrian wedding. So in Maharashtrian wedding, we wore the Nawari sarees. Yeah, and the boys wear that dhoti and kurta.
Okay, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, this is all about Maharashtrian wedding.
So it's very, very interesting. How do you activate that thing in the mind? Because that's for us is new.
Okay, so as you know, the mundalas give the pressure over here. So it helps to activate because of the pressure. It helps to get the activate to the mind, basically.
Thanks so much. Now about the dress. The dress is very beautiful. It's specific and unique from your region, right? How do you choose your dress, your colors, and how is it in the wedding? Let's say?
So basically, in India, not only in Maharashtra but all over the India, the ladies wore like kurtis. This is the anarkali, ghagras, saris. Yeah, this is there are like multicolor options in the India. Like India is not only about black and white; it's the colorful country actually.
Okay, so, you choose. Each person chooses a color depending on how they want to dress, right?
Yes, like in India, there is no specific like to dress in this and that color only. People choose the color according to their like according to them. If they look like okay, it's looking good, yeah. So they wear the colorful dresses over here.
Okay, thanks so much. So there are no rules. People just choose colors depending on.
Yeah, of course, dressing should not have any rule, you know. Because dressing is something where you look beautiful and all. So yeah, basically Indian dresses are in anarkali, and most of them are the colorful only.
Thanks so much. Yeah, you guys, you look beautiful. And now, a message or something for those who watch this video and or want to visit India, New Delhi, and maybe your city.
As you are the foreigner, you are visiting in India, so Indians believes in Atiti Devo Bhava. Like Atiti Devo Bhava means like you all visitors are like God to us. Okay.
Okay, and, a couple of words in your language, and then you'll tell us what they mean. Anything.
Okay.
Something that you like to share.
कैसे होगा?
Something, a love message or a welcoming message, something. What?
हा माणसाने माणसाशी माणसासम वागवे. It means that you have like as a person, as a human, you have to like behave politely, humorously. In as a human, you should have you should think good of the other peoples.
Thanks so much. Very beautiful philosophy.
Thank you.
Thanks so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.